Hi folks, this is my first bike. It's a 2009 Suzuki TU250X. Standard retro looking bike. One thing that I liked about this bike, and it was a good selling point, is that it is fuel injected and it makes the cold starts very easy. No problems. Even when it's really cold out, you just turn the key, fire it up, and the engine just runs. For 2010, Suzuki didn't manufacture any bikes, but for 2011 they are coming out with one. It's a different color scheme. It's kind of a grayish color, and the frames are black. Although I do prefer the 2009 color scheme. I got this bike used, and it had, when I got it, it was about 2,000 miles, and now it currently has 3,340 miles. And of those 1,300 miles, I probably put those miles mainly in the past couple of months. The tank holds 3.2 gallons. That's 12 liters. And in the instrumentation you have your regular neutral indicator, and then this is your low fuel light. This will go on when you have approximately about 0.67 gallons left in your tank. That's 2.5 liters. It doesn't come with a tachometer, just a speedometer, and you also have your trip meter. And for on the left side, for the cover here, that is your air filter. And on the right side here, that contains your battery, your fuses, and also the tools that came with the bike. So far I've owned it. I really like it. It drives really well in the city. It has good low-end torque, and so it has a good pickup on low end. I haven't done any modifications to this bike. The only thing I've done so far is I removed the TU250X stickers that were on these side covers, the left and right, and also I added a clock that comes in handy. I always like to know, when I'm riding what time it is. And now I'll go ahead and start it up for you. I'll also rev it up. So if you have any questions about this bike, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Okay, thank you. Bye.